eba say Babin Enyam. Some of us who are students of politics, Edwin said, we're going to have a rich parliament because Babin has passed through all as committee leader, as the deputy leader, as minority leader, as majority leader. And all the parliaments since 1992, Fourth Republic, he's been there.
Yeah.
Since 1993 in all parliament. Then we thought, say, Nenyama Bebri Beye unique. But I saw, say, no people who are managing. Now, no one so flex, they say, Mama, president, I'm the speaker now. I think that is only his satisfaction. I mean, maybe or no, a lawyer for 42 years. May I feel I'm a law. But in law, one senior member, I will tell me law. Koku and Sansari. I say, you need to be assertive. Near Uji Dinujinasu. Man can be a lawyer, the Dentino, or their own criticism, because be an waiting, what the other error. My basics in law, yes, your parliament. 1. Yet met me amount constitutional articles. There is 6. I just and can say Babi anyway. Right? Yamra Constitution way. Article 1-2. Actually, say Ghana. Emre Pierre was using way. Any law in Ghana, anyway, a boy bra, and yamra. From the one I be who say any no boy brano. A void. Null and void. Article 1-2, Ghana's Constitution. Article 1-2, supremacy of the Constitution. This Constitution shall be the supreme law of Ghana, and any other law found to be inconsistent with any provision of this Constitution shall, to the extent of the inconsistency, be void. Anna, Constitution we are chere. Kwania obi faswa obeye MP ana onye MP bill. Na wa chere say obi ye MP ana obi nye MP no why na say oka. Speakers are basing on Order 18. We say the speaker shall declare seats vacant. It's an order. But the Constitution under Article 99(1), actually say only High Court. Nebi to me I say Jumana speaker here and now. Yeah. Determination of membership, Parliament. The High Court shall have jurisdiction to hear and determine any question whether a person has been validly elected as a member of Parliament or the seat of a member has become vacant. High Court. Speaker near High Court. 2. Speaker na nkasa oniawrim. The day I rule or man rule no. O make statement bi mo no the 21 so say adwuma bi wo ho a enye me na meyo interpretation of the Constitution or say no dey Supreme Court adwuma na so on your article 130 you can't allude to yourself powers of the Supreme Court. Say nti confusion here ye na mu nyina no kwa original jurisdiction of Supreme Court subject to the jurisdiction of the High Court in the enforcement of the fundamental human rights and freedoms as provided in Article 33 of this Constitution. The Supreme Court shall have exclusive original jurisdiction in all matters relating to the enforcement or interpretation of this Constitution. Onya? Speaker can't send me. Na mpese ya yetie nyina ya fi adwene nkoso. Na ye hwe se speaker no se bi adepa na no no apese wo ye ma sa nipa na oka no. O se kwadwa asante. Esiama Morrison Kwachiaka Obia Fale so obegina constituency na ogina now but say no MPP ni a woko independence we NDC ni woko independent ogina party enu nti wa kire se nipa esuma no on pese osuma mo bio ti o me ye MP e wo wuntu mi studio na meba as MP no da bia metie mfini ha nam so still me MP we ya ba metena fa was it the fact say masori ha na me da so studio no je say me need interest in serving the people no problem hwe ku yapim no of MP ya inu aba amadokuya
yeah
we a sitting member of parliament for Yapim North by ye ka say we a parliamentary candidate for Okakwe North or no any siama why name person some name crop Yapim North one way MP o mato abama no mrenso ye be say we a candidate or
different
another constituency ti wokura wonya kwan ma ho
na the other constituency na no name of status whether I'm on the ticket of the party or as an independent, I don't know. So that
is why Article 97 G and H here in Chirasiye. In Chirasiye, not only Supreme Court can do it. They say yeah, Speaker Robert and I will say yeah, no. So Supreme Court to ban on the catcher or say, "Oh, Speaker, I want to say no, you're wrong." But one amount to me say Chirasiye, they want to say. There is no rule in Ghana. There is no law that gives you the speaker any right. Say, the constitution mo baby ayenti ase. He onia, yeti we nyina ayenti ase say ye ka dey omo. Oba ye ka sema ye sebe. Ba be wo hui anani pai wo hui omo e wo hui dey. Ghana Supreme Court be ka kire say mu hunu dey ye constitution and kire dey that is the final thing. Oti brofo say nkra ye mfa ho. Ye wo brofo no e na omo dey ti. Because they look at the wording. That's where can the spirit and the latter.
And the latter.
This is a monohwe na interpretation, you know. Sa clause na constitution no is to avoid say ye benya chaos in parliament. Inti untumi nka say me ye NPP ni. Na mum every chine koma sorry every NPP for group no. Me ko trend this form. Automatic. You lose your seat because you have changed from your party to another party. BSC paying 2006 NDC member of parliament for Tamale Central, Professor Alasan Wayoseni. No MPP ni park say a vice chairman a party national. Yendi issue no and the man here say for NDC. Okay no ko jira or we ne. Osi ben ne ye be meeting ben sem kan ni na na gbenem fa. For a member of parliament what otrebe mu ane won tor. Because I been Torniedu. Dr. Torniedu. Oka say NDC for Congress apart from about be uni bibia bio to Ojabe Congress ko. Professor Wayoseni will not be in this group. For you to do this conduct, more gumu ni must say. No, as Professor Alasan where you say no timumu. And then one fa. Zubamboni a mo ye MPs wana ya de ense bubo table. So say no mo subano ne nko. O sorry gina parliament, Mr. Speaker. Me wa semka. Me a na eto abama me amba parliament ya. But group na mabeka mbe ho no. Be suma ne me moja amfa. Ndi free na ekwe Mr. Speaker. Me nka be ho bio. Ma sorry me kofa ha me fie mi ha na makoma wo onante baya be gina ho na speaker ka say okay stop there. One thing is that announcement dey why ba wa unim you can change. Do you go back, contest and come back? And the day honorable Inusa Fuzeni ba parliament that by election. So the constitution is to cure say obinma subi wonim say me NDC ni mitimi win MP hoda but ma me koye say me MPP na me win me do parliament ma be join me microphone. That is the clause to avoid it. And your future obi a wa file ne so a candidate me ba na o ka lawyer obri
was it that nduru ho ntino
me subi candidate ntino Parliament. No, you don't belong to this current parliament. It is yet to obey MPB 7 January. 9th Parliament International won't copy. Because you are not part of this parliament. Unless on more time was 6th January. 7th na wo wura ho. Yet to obey you out na. So Cynthia Mamile Morrison, FR say, Mayor independent member parliament or member as independent. About year 2020 no, a man no, infect no. That is why I'm running say, Ofalia is free parliament. So you are thinking, say, he cannot serve. On your ready, so best serve with the people. So you are making the forces vacant. Who anyone who is making the people no almost sit in the vacant. Because I ready my family, but they be a parliament. Me, you must say, Rashid. Me, Chomre will say, Cocos na make one my free. The only time you, the speaker, you have that pronouncement power. And you say, Nipa natural bro say, you cannot make an NDC caucus or MPP caucus by my free. When you're free, you are leaving the house. Because one team in free caucus, now got another caucus. But me, Majuma, caucus on Trama say, any per be a free. And one thing Babin should know, they say, this has happened. Yet, Speaker Bia said the unpaid chaos in such numbers. You know the consequences of this action that you will take. Okay? NDC Member of Parliament, Michael Tenyon, MTN, you look rubble. Of free NDC, FRA as independent, Edinitemu.
Yeah, I remember.
Bebre, there was several ones.
Time I know your phone games.
Boniface Sadiq. Every independent FRLema MPP didn't tell me we are parliament. Joe say we should be quiet.
Yeah.
No independent. Of Fali didn't tell me we and son obey MPP member of parliament. They are no longer members of parliament there. Then we work with now the numbers that we are having in the house, which is 271. The 271 135 will give you 270, which is just like we had. Number one behind this, the 136. So they form the majority. They should be able to take decision. Then you go and say, "There's no remember we have the numbers to do business, but we don't have the numbers to take decisions." Say, "What now? No, I can't tell you more. Why do we have to get here? At the end, I say, you be drew at this level because why wouldn't send you why no? What's a me trema dream and yamra? Na ni groupa ombe to me a tremra no mudie in say Supreme Court. Na Supreme Court on him and NDC MPs no ye. We don't listen to Supreme Court, we are listening to the speaker. Na speaker also call for a case with Supreme Court, no part of it. Run and Senate Speaker better than us no. Also ask many lawyers to go and file for stay of Supreme Court decision. I want to go file no. Then
why do you go there?
Non-knowledgeable people no are also come in view. Sometimes the these people mobe over kasawi. Now him judges here so vulnerable in Ghana say, "Oh no sorry no pay a bit my friend MP, NDC MP. No we dinner tema. Want to me for judge no be defend no." They are not supposed to talk in the media. Do you know the interview? Say yes, sir. From Mara, who make a children no after judge be better now or children Mara. Now Ghana Supreme Court judges. NDC for the doors and a good room. Your Supreme Court judge be your auditor or Ghana, dear friend Professor Dateba.
Dateba, yeah.
We are there, not penny books to be a more kind. Arriving at the decisions. When I'm off, so take a decision. Our court. Until Mestre, yeah, man, your assembly. But, young minister, yeah, nipa.
How should the happenings in Parliament today communicate to the Ghanaian electorate on what to expect? Say yekotuoba na Parliament ne say akwese de tie and I say in the unlikely event the executive is with one party and the legislature is also with one party.
Initially, na ye mu bigwen say ebe boa Ghana. But Subai and this MP said then a dinner say yenyan ruho as a country. Me can I say MPP wa baimu na parliament NDC for hope bia on Dr. Baumia bia yifrim otumi nyeku. I'm telling you. This is a woko to aba ma Dr. Baumia. Na wan to amane MPs na. Ni entra wo to ama Dr. Baumia no. You will not achieve it. Because ne Dr. Baumia say obe amende section 63 of Chieftaincy Act. Ama nananum powers. Ama ne cases bi organa ha yedi ne court wa enkwa himfie. Yen strengthen nananum omomo aban. Send these MPs ampini and amend their manner. Wash and nanumbo organa over 480 paramonses. But emaso.
Na question chabon so ani so. 2.
Also obema disability for Judiciary free. SSC e dem mra hye akiri. Adie bia ebema ni din wate, they will block it. Adie bia. Ene doctor say drip na e de aba no. Obeye be for farming. The farming mechanization centers. Oni ade say Dr. Bruhana o start di akira. Ubehu obi enyame ahira no. Obi enyame adom na chede a yenim de. Say opese utie Dr. Baumia. Say why stakeholders engagement. And now youth connect. Now when you be ntie ewusu bia kwa so kwa o mesewe. When yana so kwa hia ne kwa da so o mesewe. It flows like that.
Very consistent.
1 hour continuous. 1 hour. Obe started with farming. Or started obe kekane yebetoso from the NDC. Near ye promise and in the NDC for kafa home. Near ye to me achieve. Now if you no any vision, what they be consolidated, no minor koneni. Me actually me introduce no we know kasa. I could go and do other things. Me hwe me time me say say me wadru. We no work. Because consistent obeba akua force. Owi a wa kire Ghana for kwan obeso ofa so electricity bo bafam by 50%. Ti wa auto electricity 1000 Ghana no. Dr. Baumia be kire o say na breso won kwa wie no na auto 500. Na waba baby a fishermen wo. They say ye hui sene east, sene west, through east, through west. What the outboard motors are solar aka ho. Beba say na make beba nananom de so. Na waba youth 1 million. I don't know one nsa no. E woni trim. Ansa na wonim. Ade ba ko na ehye mi nkunu e ma nananom enya ahotofo ne say. Ozi nananom beba yi where bisa we SSC me buhu akonta kyerɛw me an end of my first term na meba be buhu akonta ubisa town roads se me be kyerɛ ne ntira ya ayo ana bia bibi nti e yentumi anwie but ade a ya afa ho se me san bo onim be ka kyerɛw eno be makonta bu a me be ba me be pre wonim bio Obate Chairman North Mbredi na capital na hemfia kese mienu yakobia mu ohini bia request na omo say police phone nika e wo district no be hono in a way no e volatile kakra oh sorry I was na nanom media security there hu hia me pa ne ma amaka no e betu hu na mon kakra but police for car no there me a me drum kra me ankasa nya aban meche mo pick up back. Ye freaks are currently called the next community. Na only a Muslim community. Almost you dog. What about we ye candidate no? Umra ye MP 2016 to 2020. No be see school down back my and one ho. Doctor say me get fund for kokasa. So my tight here me am the motobs ka be see am. o free ye ho kwa akra no free piece no di pick up no man no man fiscal cash so me start down.
I see.
Na anu ye dru yiji de mapem bisaka konkoma hene bisaka na chepo hene bisaka for the police because of traders on the robberies. Also no mohano de last time me buy a table hene ka security na me buy ya hemfo nyina bieka me koya me ankasa e mam pick up through bewe nye ono kwa na e manyo ni panyina waba ho aye omode omo ha wato
Tunani.
but instant solution ose mema mo pickups no mo ha no de se na mo keka no no enye baako tu me koya me se hene baako sori free na konwam gina ho de ne sa pesoro sei o kasaro na ni age sa solutions to issues onami nyina hey be a contractor bi your town rules be o delay immediately or see PC no tro date we na my office on a contractor ni number na ehwe ne ebe yi amana djuma no be kontem amam nkransa bisi techima north BSc ama ba kwan kra de one side o magu owi so o bia the solutions are ebe ye minor free how muno e woninsem onu ahwe this is the full MPP manifesto ye di no also still NDC dey no timi ma abontin still under control
Tell me munwe
enye view controversy things that are not in the manifesto are the candidates no de na no akeka as being part of the manifesto. Because more lunch manifesto.
I come for the 3 days. Now you kotraba. And this manifesto no.
Emma Bontin.
Who be and working kind.
And you don't even have the soft copy. MPPDA. Da ye lunch na.
And this was so pa and some pa.
Lunch na ankasano. Omo the 73-page summary no. Emma ye at the grounds.
Yeah.
Now this is the full 232 pages manifesto na ankasani. But dana ye lanchi ye die no soft copy no ba bonte anwumre na
yeah
the soft copy na ye use wa ko say booklet ya ye ready abai but say ye ka say NDC the soft copy ma bonte main book no ma bonte all because of controversy na sabe serious country like Ghana when kwa no any developed country will punish NDC.
Mean for manifesto Mabon say yes, and we are seeing Ibebu Mino. Any
ye NDC
Monye Namus Latinizing the Mundo so the Sumuhe.
Me say NDC flag bearer. You know 6 clear months before Dr. Baumia. But the Negan and Ibi Obeka no crack. And him say BBM Dr. Baumia beside the mama. BBM. Heh. Niema ye call ye way ba. Manifesto committee no is now divided. Some say we will not sit down as professors to write a manifesto and put in it to say we will do 24-hour discotheque, 24-hour nightclub. But what ko read in the man on enka ho. Na no say bi
kaka ho.
Obi a wutie bi NDC summary no resetting Ghana no for page 32. The manifesto itself they gave to him to read. There was nothing like discotheque or nightclub. Onami nyina niam a oka hwe enei ushia Ghana ni bia na obisa no say ti compare ye wi. Your mama say the obeka kire say okaye nkoko nketenkete. E dey bi mu kra dey confirm nketenkete abeka ho. Ye ho ye.
Him the double ni achichi kraka.
Yeji e na obeka say obema phone
Bombeto
pano obese am omunwan nketenkete mponche nketenkete. So I asked myself, this modern world, but be we are seeing next month. We should see it as be a booming economy. Some faso a Greek ministry, no minister be initiative say we person bi a mponche dɔɔso nti ye communities ye folks wo nkrom ketewa mu no ye mo nye mponche ministers initiative enye government policy promise to Ghana say mo ma me kwan na me meye mampani na me ma mo nkuko buo nketenkete na obi a wo han dan na obi veranda ba akopɛ na ɔte so nkuko buo no de kosi hi
you be see them
no just sometimes we my promise that automatically takes a section of Ghanaians away. Obia ni wo zongwa wo ye kramuni papa obeka cha say meji mpreko ayen no say me be ma mpreko nketenkete ndu wo zongwa we out of this policy no tie Dr. Baumia Niema national you what the fact that he's been able to speak to this consistently oni ana no hoyi Ghana ye Nana Dubai ye rotate 6 March. What is that the Biako voter region? 6 March.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ye host to the voter region. But be a host to no. Eh the Youth Resource Center na do see you. Neni ho ye ni be si mob. Do be say nipa no hunu na wo wura ho akwan. Ko University of Health and Allied Sciences. Na ko buildings. Apart from buildings and Prof Mills start here. Ofri ho, your mama and see Junsobuo cry your mama and see biwo. University of Health and Allied Sciences. And they almost to meet the University of Ghana Medical School. No more Diaba Hospital ho. JM's legacy. I'm so lack of knowledge. Prof Mills see first face, you know. Your mama and fa blog back who say me and Kasaso Midiani. Na do ne bedu obesi second phase a we bi $60 million. It is sometimes be some will say why is he still trying to come? Then I will pay. Because we want to be someone say open president and you krom ntu mpon kra ene jo mahama.
Mampenia
ni krom. Wanye
Ghana.
See way first. Wanye a single town road wo bole. Your mama as president. Say me krom ni bole town roads 5 kilometers. Mungusu ko tare mo mama. O ko bole secondary school akwan a obefa so no. E chefu nkwan. Ya na eba ya be si court na e obi fie dada pa.
Bole court no.
Court. Ya be ni esisi ni esi bia mo. Say unkonko bole krom na misa say enti mo baba kwa bedi mampanyini pen. Ni legacy wo krom ha ne de wo hen. Na nka nei youth bisa wo opponent wo krom so mo pe astrotem na fe na ko pe contractor go zi astrotem. Imam bisa say Dr. Mary Noveti Mosque man wa ko donate 100,000 na 100,000 na da hoda da no na unim say mosque na say. Nti minim why motivates people unim ye obi wo ho a odijo mama chi because kwabia so akoye president amenya ba bi ahye. Nya wono no as individual ne wode bebo Ghana o na mbomo no so ni position bi obenya adi eno no wodwene but obia se be odo Ghana no worry so o man no kankro o man no mpuntuo nti na wokoto abade will not leave Dr. Mahmoud Baumia for Dr. Mama no now no a president call Damango you know so when your pictures no be aware say JM no hunu say ono ani nkrofo no he has disappointed them. And that is why ne mame ne papa ne free ball you. Ne mame free busunu.
Yeah.
Damango constituency. E ho na Abugina po mame free. Abugina po is just an MP. Now do I the minister 3 years 10 months. Your mama deputy minister 97 to 98. 99, 2000, substantive minister. 2001 to 2008, still not a member of parliament. 2009 to 2012, not a vice president. 2013 to 2016, now a president. Ne mami krum busunu abai bibi eni ho. Abugina po na akoya asrote. Na no yi. Ne mami krum. Ndi wote niwe do biase. Na wo hope wo do mama mu a ono ani maami kurom kura be ni hope ni mu ono ani kura wo firi mu a okọ gonya lance si a ho no wo koda o free president so ansa na concert for sinifie o de ma contract o musima o di president abisi nne so o di president na oni fie ho o di mp na oni fie ho o free so ba unom Dr. Boakye as vice president ko tamale okwa na hotel
yeah
minim Dr. Boakye fie o
oh yes
minim Dr. Boakye fie o wale
yeah
ni kurom a o free say ni kurom ni no uduru ho wo ni fie a Dr. Boakye aba me hwehwe na me ko ni fie akohwe no se Boakye aba tamale a obi ani ni fie se wo ko hwehwe no na was seen in such a way say wa be ko bia no at least wenya ba bia atana kama eni abre say osomfo bisa your mama say oye president oye vice president oye mp oye minister na he na wokọ ane nkrofo ko wewem wo pe president akwan e ko ni kuro mu nye kura ne your mama
akwan de me ko fa so ye ko campaign
efri su bi so
na ewurade nya
ko fa branam
hey
akwa ko si bamboy say ka kire say ko mampanyin da bi kuruma be bisa ho say na ne wo no so no a di we ye ni kurumfo a wo na obi
na wo a wote atwema ngo beja ebu akwa
wo na obi nya ni mugidi nti to da bi a metie say bi say ko ebu akwa na akufo ado ba bia wa gu ni asphalt me say yes ene na be kire say mampanyin bi afiri sa kuru nu eno na kire ko ne wale vice president Dr. Mahmoud Boakye kurum kwan bia ya asphalted
enso John Mahama
but ono device be the president na ankasa
ni kurom fo kwa wantima anwene wo mu
ba anwene wo mu na wo a wo tenchen na wo dwene so be
na wo kwa mboache a wo te asafo
nti onu me dem say
freaky dicky
I have the total conviction say God will not disappoint Ghana
absolutely
because say wo hwe the ideas say mampanyin bi say ade e ma Ghana ya setena mu ye dene one energy meye bibia fa ho amankane abo abafam 2 aduane me beye district mechanization centers ye doctor say opese ono ni mampanyin wie no na Ghana yeso ye de yenje ne ye ntosi no ko man foforo so ye nkofo obi de
well yan fancy na man